Hi there. Are you ready for today's big question? Where do animals live? Look at these animals. Where do they live? This is an eagle. Eagles live in big nests high in the trees. This is a honeybee. Honeybees make a hive for their home. They make honey in the hive. This is a crab. Some crabs make their homes in old seashells. Different animals live in different homes. An animal's home is the best place for it to live. But sometimes, animals can't live in their home. Some animals live in reserves, and people help them. This is Marwell Zoo. They take care of all kinds of animals. What's that? It's a monkey. Where do monkeys live? They live in the trees. At Marwell Zoo, they play on climbing frames. Snakes live in trees too. There's a snake in this tree, but where is it? There it is. These are meerkats. Meerkats live in holes in the ground, and they all live together. There are tigers, zebras, and flamingos. I like all the animals at Marwell Zoo, but my favorite animal is the leopard. What's your favorite animal?